Good afternoon, Rosita.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Rosita Davis, 38 years old. I'm living with my parents. I have no brother and we have 7 sisters.
You have a domestic helper experience with a family of 5 members, 2
Yes.
adults and 3 children.
Yes, ma'am.
3-month-old is the youngest.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you take care of a 3-month-old baby?
I'm going to sterilize the bottle and make her a milk, and then if finish her milk, I'm going to burn.
Aside from the 3-month-old baby, there are 2 children ages 4 and 7 years old. Are they going to school?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to send them to school.
Are you going to send them to school and then be back after class?
Yes, ma'am.
So who's doing the cooking in the morning?
My employer, ma'am, when she going to the office, she cook first. Then I'm going to take care the children before going to school.
So your main duty is taking care of the 3 children.
Yes, ma'am.
Aside from taking care of the children, what else do you do?
I
Do you
go,
also help household chores?
yes, ma'am. I'm going to iron their clothes and washing their clothes.
This will be your first time to work abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you going to cope up with your homesickness?
I'm going to call my family in a moment and pray.
What if one member of your family in the Philippines got sick? What are you going to do?
I ask permission to my employer to call in just a moment.
And then you just send them money and promise not to break your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to finish your household chores before going out for holiday?
Yes, ma'am.
Any day will be okay, given by your employer for
Yes,
your
ma'am.
day off?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends or relatives to your employer's house?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to operate some electrical appliances?
I want to learn their electronics so that there are no troubles will be needed.
Any message for your future employer, Rosita?
Good day, sir, madam. If you going to choose me, I will obey your rules and regulation, and I'll treat your family as my family too.
That's all. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you.